All right, and since we're talking about metal, JSW stock has been in news.
Yes, so JSW Infra, finally got listed today. It got listed on a timeline of T+3. The markets have moved to a newer timeline. It's not mandatory yet. This ruling comes in effect from December onwards. But JSW Infra chose to get listed, within a T+3 timeline. Now the stock listed at a premium of about 20%. Now the upper band of its IPO price was 119. So with a 20% premium, the stock got listed at about 143 rupees on both NSE and BSE. Whereas throughout the day we also saw some buying action in JSW Infra, and the stock made an intraday high of about 157.3, which is a premium of 32% from the upper band of its IPO price, and the stock even closed over there. So Avinash, I mean, given that the stock has run up about 30%, more than 30% in fact, there were talks that the valuation wise the IPO seems well priced. After the today's run up, is it still a buy for you?
No, I think my guess is if you have a 2-year view, then I think you can probably look at it, because in the very near term, a premium of 20-25% on the IPO price is a very reasonable kind of expectation which the market had got, and there was no doubt that this is a company which has got a great business, a very strong asset, and very difficult for any new player to get into this business. So I think over the next couple of years, hopefully numbers get better. Definitely, I think the markets would obviously re-rate this stock going further. So I think as of now, it seems to be quite well positioned. If somebody has a 2-year view, then I think definitely one can accumulate on every decline.
Now, for investors who are not allotted the shares of JSW Infra, is this the right time to enter the stock, or perhaps they should wait for some profit booking?
I think around 130 to 135, Suyash, I think would be a good entry point. I think this stock has definitely got a premium in the sense that the group is very well managed. Most importantly, the business is very lucrative. It has a very strong competitive moats, not much competition expected in this space. So 130, 135 could be a good entry point for somebody who's looking to add, in the portfolio for a couple of years.
All right, so 130 to 135, that's the price band that Avinash is tracking.